Hello everyone. So if you're watching this, you're probably tend to be a Buddhist monk, because this is the amount of patience and time that you'll need to install a door on your dishwasher. Our old dishwasher was already broken, so we changed it. We bought a Bosch, and because our kitchen is custom made, never do this mistake like I did. I will never do it again. The guy that installed our kitchen didn't know how to install the the rails that IKEA system has in order to open the door till down here. So when we changed the dishwasher, I was thinking, oh, I have the system, no problem, I'll do it. The manual has no more than 40 pages. Yeah, it took me a long time to study it, and right when I was about to start, I looked on the Bosch manual and I saw that they have their own system of installing a door, which is this. It took me 2 days probably to study all this bullshit. Here's my advice: if you want to start something like this, make sure that if you want to choose to install it with the Bosch system, your door is not higher than 72.5 centimeters. Unfortunately, these instructions are specifying this only here, this tiny step. And when I got to the end, I realized that my door, it doesn't have 72 centimeters, it says 77. So right when I finished, I realized that I cannot open the door because the door was hitting the bottom of the dishwasher. So I thought, no problem, I have the IKEA one, I'll do it, because anyway I studied the whole manual. So I started with the IKEA. I got to the end when I had to install the metal rails, and again I didn't find any dimensions specified in the manual, besides the fact that I have to measure 2 centimeters from the bottom and 2 centimeters from the top and align it to 2.5 centimeters on the side. And in the sketch I was seeing that the door from the sketch has this space right here and there, but not my door, because fuck me, I have again an exception. Not only that it's an exception on the length, but it's an exception also on the width. Anyway, I did all kind of improvisations in order to have them align properly, and I cut with a jigsaw, the ends in order to close and not hit the bottom of the closet. And I got to this point where it's closing, but I still have a space of, like 1 centimeter. This comes from the fact that you really, with the IKEA system I'm meaning now, you need to push your dishwasher inside in order to get, when you have the door closed, you have here 1.3 centimeters, so 13 millimeters. In my door, it's not like this, because I align it initially as the Bosch system required. So now I have to remove again the door. You don't know what means to put this thing on the rails by yourself. Trust me, don't try it. You eat you alive. And now I have to remove it, lower again the machine, pull it out again, because only now I saw that the pipe that takes out the water is blocking the back of the dishwasher, and this is the reason why I cannot push the dishwasher according to the dimensions that I need. So don't do like me. Make sure that before you're getting to all the steps with drilling and installing and doors and everything, make sure that your machine is aligned and you have that space in order to be able to close the door properly. Okay, the next advice. You will need a lot of tools that, I don't know, normal people don't have, I think, like this drill that is 2 millimeters wide, because you will need to do a lot of pre-drilling in order to save time and, you know, put the screws straight and easy. I had it, so it was okay, but I made some mistakes because, again, my door is not a regular door, so doing the holes required and putting the screws, I came out with a screw that comes through my furniture because I wasn't paying attention to those indents where the material is thinner. Last advice that I have for you is don't do this when you have kids at home. I got a million of interruptions that I forgot where I was, and then go back to the sketch, and then go back to the door, and then go back to put dinner, lunch, whatever for the kids. So probably this is one of the reasons why I didn't align well the dishwasher in the back. So wish me luck. I hope this will be the last, I don't know, hay rope of this journey, and I hope I'll see you soon. Bye bye.